Hello sa'yo student, ako si Sir Bryan. At nandito ka sa aking channel na The Millennial Teacher. Nandito ako para tulungan ka sa math subject mo. Nagtuturo ako ng mga topics mula grade 7 hanggang grade 10. Pero bago natin umpisahan ang klase, ay iniimbitahan kitang mag-subscribe sa aking channel at pindutin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong upload ko, na tiyak na makakatulong sa'yo. Simulan na natin ang klase. Ang topic na ituturo ko sa'yo ngayon student ay Arithmetic Means. The terms of an arithmetic sequence that are between two given terms are called arithmetic means. Gawin natin sa mga sumusunod na halimbawa student. Example number 1, 7, 10, 13, 16. Sa halimbawa na ito, ang ating arithmetic means ay 10 and 13. And we have 2 arithmetic means. Example number 2, negative 6, negative 4, negative 2, 0, and 2. In this example, ang ating arithmetic means are negative 4, negative 2, and 0. At mayroon tayong 3 arithmetic means. Example number 3, negative 8, negative 3, 2, 7, 12, and 17. Sa halimbawa na ito student, ang ating arithmetic means are negative 3, 2, 7, and 12, at we have 4 arithmetic means. Gamitin natin ang arithmetic means sa pag-solve ng mga problems. Problem number 1. What is the arithmetic mean between 85 and 95? Solution. The arithmetic sequence is of the form 85, a sub 2, and 95. The value of a sub 1 is 85, the value of a sub 3 is 95, and the value of n is 3. Kailangan muna nating malaman ang value ng d using the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d ay magiging 95 equals 85 plus quantity 3 minus 1 times d. Next, student ay 95 equals 85 plus 3 minus 1 equals 2, and 2 times d is 2d. Next, student ay ilagay natin ang 2d sa kaliwang side ng equation. At ilagay natin sa kanang side ng equation ang 95. Kaya magiging negative 2d equals 85 minus 95. Next, student ay negative 2d equals 85 minus 95 is negative 10. And lastly, divide both sides of equation by negative 2. Kaya, ang value ng d natin ay 5, which is the common difference. Next, student ay gamitin natin ang first term at common difference para makuha ang second term. Kaya magiging a sub 2 equals 85 plus 5, which is equal to 90. Therefore, the arithmetic mean is 90. Problem number 2. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 17 and 1. Solution. The arithmetic sequence is of the form 17, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and 1. The value of a sub 1 is 17, the value of a sub 5 is 1, and the value of n is 5. Kailangan muna natin malaman ang value ng d para malaman ang mga terms na nasa pagitan ng 17 at 1. Using the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d ay magiging 1 equals 17 plus quantity 5 minus 1 times d. Next, student ay 1 equals 17 plus 5 minus 1 is 4, and 4 times d is 4d. Next, student ay ilagay natin sa kaliwang equation ang 4d at ilagay naman natin sa kanang side ng equation ang 1. Kaya magiging negative 4d equals 17 minus 1. Next, student ay negative 4d equals 17 minus 1 is 16. Then lastly, divide both sides of equation by negative 4. Kaya, ang value ng d ay negative 4. At ayan, ang ating common difference, student. Para malaman natin ang second term, student, ay gamitin natin ang first term. At common difference. Kaya magiging a sub 2 equals 17 plus negative 4, which is equal to 13. Gamitin naman natin ang second term at common difference para makuha ang third term, student. Kaya magiging a sub 3 equals 13 plus negative 4, which is equal to 9. At same step lang din, student, para makuha ang fourth term. Kaya magiging a sub 4 equals 9 plus negative 4, which is equal to 5. Therefore, the arithmetic means are 13, 9, and 5. Problem number 3. Insert 3 arithmetic means between 7 and 13. Solution. The arithmetic sequence is of the form 7, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and 13. Ang value ng a sub 1 ay 7, ang value ng a sub 5 ay 13, at ang value ng n ay 5. Again, kailangan muna nating malaman ang value ng d using the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d ay magiging 13 equals 7 plus quantity 5 minus 1 times d. Next, student, ay 13 equals 7 plus 5 minus 1 equals 4, and 4 times d is 4d. Next, student, ay ilagay natin ang 4d sa kaliwang equation. At ilagay natin sa kanang equation ang 13. Kaya magiging negative 4d equals 7 minus 13. Next, student, ay negative 4d equals 7 minus 13 equals negative 6. And divide both sides of equation by negative 4. Since ang negative 6 at negative 4 ay both divisible by 2, kaya pwede pa itong i-lowest term. At since both numerator and denominator are negative, kaya ang magiging sagot natin, student, ay positive. At ang value ng d natin ay 3 over 2. At ayan ang ating common difference. Ngayon, student, para makuha ang second term ay gagamitin natin ang first term at common difference. Kaya magiging a sub 2 equals 7 plus 3 over 2. Para ma-add natin ito, student, ay kailangan maging magkapareho sila ng denominator. Ang ating denominator ay 2. Just multiply 2 sa 7, kaya magiging 14, and copy the 3. Kaya ang second term ay 17 over 2. Para makuha naman ang third term, student, ay gamitin natin ang second term at common difference. Kaya magiging a sub 3 equals 17 over 2 plus 3 over 2. Since pareho ng denominator, ay just add directly ang numerator. Kaya magiging 20 over 2. At kapag nilowest term ay magiging 10. Next ay fourth term. Same step, student. Kaya magiging 10 plus 3 over 2. Ang common denominator natin ay 2. Just multiply 2 sa 10. Kaya magiging 20. And copy the 3. Kaya ang fourth term natin ay 23 over 2. Therefore, the arithmetic means are 17 over 2, 10, and 23 over 2. Hopefully, may natutunan ka sa video na ito, student. At huwag mo na din kalimutan mag-subscribe and share mo na din ito sa kapwa mo mag-aaral na kailangan matutunan ang topic na ito. Muli, ako si Sir Bryan, ang iyong Millennial Teacher. And see you to my next class.